Hi everyone, how are you? I feel that you are all happy with your friends, family, and relatives. And this is the tough time for everyone that to lead our life because in the form of lockdown we are staying in our home and we most of the people are not able to get employment opportunities and many of the people they do not get any kind of food, proper food and water and other facilities. Even the worst situation for the migrant laborers and they were suffering a lot. And this toughest situations, the government of India as well as the government of Tamil Nadu have been taking the various efforts to control the pandemic called corona. It is affecting the entire world and it is affecting the entire country of India as well as it is affecting entire state of Tamil Nadu, even in our places also. It is collapsing the entire economic systems. People are not able to find a job. Students are not able to go to school, college. You people are not able to find the classrooms, and people are not able to write their examinations. And you are all know well about the situation going on right now in Tamil Nadu. So in these connections, the upcoming academic year, we don't know when the classes will be started and other process that really what will be happening that we don't know. So in this regard, the UGC has instructed to go for online teaching, online classes for all the students, and already it has been practiced in some of the universities, colleges also. But this is our own duty to practice here in our college also. So in this connection I have already started this YouTube channel for sharing the teaching and other learning materials to the students, but so far it was just inactive. Now I would like to active with your cooperations on this matter, that I am giving some of the informations about online teaching, as you are using all the mobile phone and also we are using all the kinds of CAD-CADs, electronic CAD-CADs like a mobile phone, laptop and personal computer also. So nowadays the education will be moving on like this only. So as we follow the European and the Western countries education system, they would like to go for this process. For how long this is going on, that we don't know, but due to the constraint of like this maintaining social distance and unnecessary going out, and also we cannot get together. Even some of the now the Bar Council of India as well as the Central University Pondicherry, they announced except final year students the last semester other have been cleared their examinations. The situation may be coming to our category also. So I hope you people would know about this situation. This is my channel, YouTube channel. You subscribe and you get to update the notes, materials. Already I have been distributing all the materials to your hand, and you go through it and you just learn and you read, update your knowledge and be innovative and be safe with your family. See you all. Take care. Bye.